Alright, in this video, I taught you guys about being prepared for mid-week reversals. Remember I told you that? I said if you're going to use the ocean wave, know that you need to be prepared for mid-week reversals. And again, this is exactly why I'm teaching you guys that there's a time when the market wants to go in a trend, and then there's a time when it wants to reverse, and you have to be able to see and identify those times, which is why we have the ocean wave system for trend trading, and then we have the sexy simplicity combination on reversal days. And so today is Tuesday, which is the start of midweek reversal. And as you can see, I'm in this trade, and you can check out the video I just posted yesterday on the Euro CAD, where I used the ocean wave to be able to take that trade. But this trade is being recorded on the same day. I'm just going to post it tomorrow. So at the time of you watching this, this is going to still be on Tuesday, but you can see the reason why on this one I'm taking it going the other way. Okay. And this is midweek reversal, 40 pips on GBP, JPY, and today's date, so you can see it, is 9/19/2023, so that you can easily go on your own charts and verify, so you know I'm not manipulating charts or anything like that to show this. You'll be able to verify it on your own. But as you can clearly see from the 4-hour time frame, you know, it's bouncing in between the channels, So I called it off this double bottom. You can see that right here. Here it tested, created a higher low. Here's a low point, but this low is higher, and it bounced right off of that channel. I checked down on the 1 hour. Everything is beautiful. How can you not see this? And students who've been with me for a very long time, I know for sure that you're looking right at the slant pattern. Okay, give me a second and I'll show you. Okay, I'm gonna grab this sliding tool and boom. See the slant pattern? I told you guys, slant patterns always pop up. Okay, always. Look at this. I'll mark it all the way back. See, this is why you come to my free class, which is, by the way, is going to be on every Wednesday. Let me change the color of this. Every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, but I open the doors at 7:30. I'm sorry, at 8:30 Eastern Time, to make sure that those come one, come all, because again, when the room is full, it's full. Okay, so if you want to come in, you don't have to purchase anything. It's for free. Okay, I decided to open it up to the public. But again, you're going to learn a lot of stuff that you're never being taught. So take a look at this. I'm going to mark up how many slant patterns there are. They always go the other way. Always. Okay, slant patterns do what? Pop up. Okay, especially during midweek reversal. Look at that. Slant. And look, I didn't even mark this one all day long. See, this is why you have, Uncle P, why are you using two different systems? So I can see two different actions that the market is doing. Sometimes the market want to go in the trend direction, and sometimes it want to go in reversal. So I got to have the tools to be able to see it. So look at this. Slant, pop up. Slant, pop up. Slant, pop up. And this is also where you get those zigzag, what they call zigzag patterns. But the zigzag pattern tool that comes with your MT4 doesn't always spot correctly where things are happening. So you got to have the right tools. Look at this. It popped up here, slant here, popped up again. Look at this, all over the place. It's like rocks scattered all over the ground, but you can't see it because you don't have the right tools. Okay, see, all over. But my students, y'all know what we've been looking for. All over the place. Just slants, pop-ups. Slants and pop-ups. Okay? Slants and pop-ups. Just all over the place. See? Slants and pop-ups. So look at this. So now midweek, what? Reversal. Look at this slant. And I bought it off this support. Why? What day am I doing it? Midweek. 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 And I'm not greedy. I'll probably take my money and run on this. Okay? But midweek. Okay? How do I know? Because I had the tools. And I could easily see. Look how far back I can slant. Look at this. Slant, pop up. Slant, pop up. Slant, pop up. Slant, pop up. Just all day long. So look. When this one slanted down, popped up, retested. Midweek. Boom. So I may hold this. Look, you can see I'm at 45 pips. This is all recorded live. And again, 9/19/2023. So whenever you're looking at this video, you can always go back to your own charts and verify if I'm not teaching you truth. Okay, this is why I do live videos instead of showing you a MyFX book trade history, because I could be showing somebody else's trades. Okay, I could be, how do you know? You wouldn't know. But if I'm taking you step by step in these trades and you're seeing this with your own eyes, then it's quite obvious that I'm teaching you truth, because you have to learn how the market moves. Okay, before you start applying strategies and indicators, you got to understand the market. So I'm teaching you guys how to understand how the market moves and its behavioral patterns. What is the emotional state and behavioral patterns of the market? Once you understand that, then you'll know, okay, I need to be trading this way on these times, and I need to be trading that way on that. No wonder you've been losing. You're applying one strategy when the market has two different behaviors. Does that make sense? So I'm going to close this trade. I'm going to grab my money, take my money and run. I ain't greedy. Okay, boom. So I'm out of that trade. Okay, I could have held it because it probably will go up here, but there's a lot of news coming out. If you watched my video on Sunday, you would know that there's a lot of news coming out. As a matter of fact, shortly the CAD is coming out with their inflation numbers. Then you got the US coming out with their inflation numbers tomorrow, and It's just too much news, so I'm just doing a grab and go. I'm not trying to hold things long term. But hopefully in this video you understand the strategy, you understand why I took this trade. It's very simple, no-brainer. Very easy for you to understand, okay? But notice that I did not use the ocean wave system, because now it's midweek reversal, and so therefore I had to go back to my other trading system, which will show me, okay, now that the market wants to reverse, which system do I need to use? This one, because it helps me to see the reversals, okay? It helps me to see the reversals. The EuroCAD video that you saw me post on yesterday, because again, this is both recorded the same day, but at the time of yesterday, when you looked at the EuroCAD, you see that it was in a trend. And therefore, I was able to clock pips on that one using the ocean wave. Why? Because it was going into a trend. But now that it's reversing on some of these pairs, I switch over to this. So I can make money either way, whether the market is reversing or whether it wants to go this way or that. Doesn't matter to me, but at least I can see it now. Okay, at least I can see it. And for some of you guys, and this may not be for everybody. Maybe you have a way of seeing everything the whole time. But I guarantee majority of retail traders, which is why when you do research on the success rate of retail traders, you will see that retail traders do not have a high success rate. Okay, hands down, nobody can debate me on that. Retail traders are not doing well in the trading space. So if you want to debate, that's cool, not a problem. I respect your opinion, but the truth of the matter is I'm showing you guys why the retail traders are failing, because they don't have the tools necessary to see what's going on in these markets. And so they're applying strategies on days when the market do not want to respond to that. And that's the reason why I utilize two different trading systems. It's equivalent to your car only having a gear that goes in the drive. Well, sometimes you got to go in reverse. Right? So that transmission have to be able to understand that it needs to go in reverse sometimes, and sometimes it needs to go straight. So that's the reason why I have one system that will tell me when the market wants to go straight and go in the drive. Okay, cool. I'm going to use the ocean wave. But when it want to go in reverse, I'm going to reverse back and use simplicity with the sexy analyst combination. Okay? So I can catch you either way you want to go, market. I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video.